Hi folks, welcome to this new Cancha tutorial. Today I'm going to talk about save views in logs and in 3D. This is where you might have a certain view that you've generated in 3D and you want to come back to it later. You don't want to have to go through the process of constructing it again. So you can see here I've done something very beautiful with gold in the drilling and the block model and in the metallurgical samples, and they're all got the color Viridis color scheme. I'm just going to hit the above, the plan view icon on the top here. It's going to make this nice plan view for me, and this is just nice the way I want it. And so what I'm going to do is save this view here. So this is the 3D controls window at the bottom right hand corner, and I'm going to hit the plus mark there, and then I'm going to type gold and then enter. So now in this drop down box I've got this gold one here, and if I change the view and then click back on the gold again, so we go to silver and then come back to gold, it'll come back to the same camera angle and the same features and stuff like that. So here, for example, if I click on bond work index, it's taking me to this view where I've got the oxide domains here, the bond work index. This bond work index is in a divergent color scheme where blue is low and red is high. And it's got the camera angle just like that. And then I come back to silver, for example. I might have this in a different color scheme from a different angle, and come back to the gold, and that's a different one again. So you could have this zoomed in for different things, like for example, north pit or south pit or such and such a sample. So that's how it works. Basically, you just choose it from the list here, click on it, and it'll take you back to that view. You can also delete a view, or you can add a new one. So that is save views in 3D. In logs, it's almost exactly the same. You got up on the top here. So here we've got the Bonnie leach log. So this is a log I put together with silver, gold, sulfur, cyanide, soluble copper, rock type, cyanide consumption, and gold recovery, which would be the sort of useful things that I'd like to see for when I'm looking at the leaching test work. Might right click and show labels so I can see the metallurgical results numerically what they are. So this is the leach results, but then click on here and go to comminution logs, and now I've got comminution test results here, and I've got things more to do with rock type and rock chemistry rather than mineralization chemistry. So I can bring this up instantly or go back to the leach one and not have to reconstruct it again from start. Okay, so that is saved views.